Nyama choma in Kenya has its own CV that crosses beyond our borders. We are all guilty of taking those long road trips just to try nyama choma from different parts of the country, and we don't joke when it comes to that. Today we visit one of the most talked about nyama choma places and ranch, and this is not Kamakis, my guys. It's far from Kamakis, but it is the perfect spot, especially if you're headed to Tanzania or coming from Tanzania through the Namanga border, and it is also not too far from the city center, Nairobi. Before we get into it, remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so that you never miss out on our tasty adventures. This place is owned by the legendary Fred Machoka, who claims to be the blackest man in Africa. Is it true? Well, let me know in the comment section below. And this place, from the name, you can tell it's the Fred's Ranch. And they say it's just like grandma's. Does it live up to the hype? Well, let's see. When we get in, we're welcomed with some well manicured garden and beautiful trees, which is just a hint of the entire beauty of the place. Look at that beauty. The waterfall, lovely. Sitting areas are divided into bandas, which are named after different areas in Kenya, like this one, Coast, and there are different types of bandas. You can have a small banda or a big banda. For that day, there was a large group which had some sort of like a chama over here, so it had booked the large banda. True to the word outside, you'll definitely feel that country vibe with the trees tied with the bandanas, hay on the ground, and even staff having the cowboy and cowgirl attires. You're in a country world. You can either choose to sit in the bandas or in the space near the pool or outside near the hay. They have quite some sitting space. However, I would advise you to make some reservations, since some days the place can get quite full. In terms of activities, they have a swimming pool which both adults and kids can swim. Or you can also take a tour in the vast farm where they mostly get their products from, making their bills. Yes, their meals are farmed for a fair. They have horses. Kuna pale tukiingia tuliona those horses be. For now, let's sit down and look at the menu, what they have, and see what we'll enjoy. So from this, what I could tell is the menu is a bit more expensive compared to other nyama choma places. If you're used to the ordinary kamakis, here it's a bit more expensive, slightly, not too much. The margin is not too big, so you just need to add like an extra 200 or 100 shillings more, but it's very manageable. Finally, the meal arrived. Though something you have to note is that it takes quite some time, so you have to be ready to be patient. You'd rather place your order and take the farm tour or dive and swim for some time, because the food takes like approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. We ended up going for the nyama choma. This is the mbuzi choma and the fries. The mbuzi was very soft. That one I can agree. So soft and easy to chew. So unang'ani hapo at least worth the amount of time you're going to wait. The fries are also very clean and good. They're also very tasty, though I would say for the portions, not what you would really count on if you're very hungry. So that's it for the 2 hour stay at Fred's Ranch. It was just a short stay. We just ran for a simple outing, Yamachoma only, nothing much, but hopefully next time we'll manage to go and do the whole farm visit tour and also the horse rides and the swimming. Yeah, so and then something I also loved is the fact that they don't have Wi-Fi. So it actually forces you to connect with the people you are with around. So I remember that day, Fred actually walks around ensuring he communicates with all his guests. So it was like, do you know what your aunt used as school fees? And I was like, no. I was like, I used 450 shillings for my whole academic year. So you can imagine, economy even though ilikuwa mbaya, but that's it. Very beautiful place. Other than the time it takes for the food, the rest of everything else is very beautiful and wonderful. And then there's our bell. As you exit, in case you love the food, you can just ring the bell. So that's it. Remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Till next time, bye.